Hi, kittens. Let's sit down and hang out, kittens. Look at that. Look at your dirty mouth. Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. Did I just, oh, hi, Brenda. Oh, hi. Yeah, I know. I did see. I did. Yeah, it is really cool. Oh, really? Oh, I missed that part. Let's see, where were we? Someone's playing blanket monster. Okay, so let's see. Flour. This is the second morning pus free. So that's pretty exciting. I'm going to just let the doctor. Oh, it looks. Oh my gosh! And someone was sending this text. That's a cautiously optimistic cause for celebration. This one is an owl. Owl is so cute. Everybody's so cute. Okay, all right. Okay, there we go. What else? So that's hopeful. I'm a little nervous to say that we're I'm not going to say we're out of the woods, but that's a good sign. It's a very good sign. Yay! This is Flower. Flower and Owl, now that they refuse to wear their collars. Actually, I could try to put a collar on someone. What you doing, you itchy? You're so handsome. What else? Just got the call over on the other. Oh, I should check and see if my. Oh yeah. Oh. The little goat is a shoulder and head kitten. So whoever adopts him will have to teach him how to be a good hat. Oh, he likes to attack my ponytail. Ooh, maybe we should do some nail trims. Now I've got a black one. I make a very fun climbing device. Hi, Tigress, you're so cute, and you're so cute. So let's see what else. Yeah, so Topper is at Mountain View today. He is here. He went in for his neuter and had his testicles were not. She could sort of find one tiny one, but then he sucked it back inside, and so it would have required more surgery to get in there and look around. So we're gonna wait until he's a little bit bigger and then do the neuter. So I think we will still go ahead with adoption potentially, or we would do a foster to adopt with him so that he can get into a home, and then we won't be in a rush to try to find his testicles and take them out. I don't know if it's, I don't know if it's, it sounded like it's different than cryptorchid, which is when they can't find the one testicle and have to do exploratory surgery to find it. I'm not sure if that was the case, or, because I only talked to Sharon at the front desk and Robin at the front desk for a few minutes, so I didn't get the full scoop, but I will have more information about that. I can go pick him up in a little bit. So he's coming back here for the night, and then he was going to have a sleepover at Dawn's for the weekend. Dawn is not adopting him, but I'm almost done with the adoption form, so you can submit applications online, which will be a lot easier for you and a lot easier for us. And so I'm hoping to get that done after I leave here, this room. Oh, it's a little puppy. Look at you, are so ferocious. Look at how ferocious. Hi, you're not ferocious, you're smooth. What else? You got something on your face. I will help you. Hi. Oh, you're too cute. Owl is so cute. So, and then I will post adoption info for Topper and for these guys, and hopefully we will be able to find excellent homes for all 14. That's everybody except Cassidy, who's not ready. What? I'm just picking your nose first. Oh, you're so cute. Your face is looking much better. Are you keeping your face cleaner these days? Remember when your nose was all pink and now it's a combination? It's a very special nose. They are very wound up this morning. This is what, oh, see, I taped the camera in place so that there wasn't, so that it wasn't always pointing at the floor, but now I can't rotate it around when there's like a massive blanket monster situation happening. You're too cute. Look at you with your long legs. I am not going to weigh them this morning because I need to get this adoption thing done, and I have like about 5 million other things that are fairly urgent. But I will weigh them sometime in the next couple days and see how close we are to spades and neuters. Woo, get him! Because we'll probably need to start scheduling those pretty soon, if you can believe it. Oh, so Boots' personality. So where's Mama? Bootsy is very snuggly. He doesn't love being picked up. He's kind of the least brave about being picked up for whatever reason. So we've been working on it and he's gotten better, but he's a little bit, he protests and kind of squirms. Which sometimes they grow out of and sometimes it's just part of their personality. But despite that, he's very snuggly in the lap department and very playful and obviously extremely adorable. All these kittens are quite snuggly. And obviously they're kittens, so they're very playful. Bootsy is the worst at getting picked up. Everyone else is pretty good about it. He has gotten better though. He's over there in the corner, or I would demonstrate for you. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. And he has a very special ombre tail that gets a little gray on the end. Oh, just like Thor, that's perfect. They're all extremely cute. Tip, of course, you know her personality. She's delightful in every possible way. You have a little crusty right there I'm trying to get for you. Is this Dandy? Oh, this is Owl. You have a little face crusty. Where did Lucy go? Lucy is somewhere. I think is he behind the door? Looking right at him? No. There he is. He was hiding behind the door. He's very adorable. Oh, Cassidy has the woes. Yeah, and Eep 24 Eep has quite the little. She's getting Mama's tail right now. They've got some serious zoomies going on. Except Owl. Yep, Cassidy is. He probably needs to learn that it's okay to be alone sometimes. Or he might be terribly spoiled. He does okay being alone. He just doesn't always like to be by himself. He does anyway. The teens can come and go into the area where he is, but he has to stay downstairs where it's padded. You're very cute. Megan has started getting the packages going, and so we will do package opening in the next couple of days. I really need to get the adoption stuff going because these guys are. I'm like a week behind on posting adoption info, so that's like my top priority right now, and I'm pretty close, but it does take some time. And so what else? I think that's probably about it. You're too cute for words. Too cute for words. Daisy's had enough. She's ready for her nap. Oh, right, and I need to go pick up Topper, so it's gonna be another challenging day, and then see, it's already 12:30. It's tough to get anything done around here. So many adorable kittens. Okay. So, look at you. You're so cute. What are you doing? Did you find a little owl tail? Maybe have to bite it. Oh, you are so cute. Okay. Alright. Okay. I've got to go now. Dr. F wants a phone call. Okay. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna attempt to get out of kitten area. Oh, good. Is that a good place for you to have a little nap, buddy? Okay. Why do I keep acting like calling? Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright.